Hey guys, Jason here at Fast J's in Huntington Beach. About to set up a lever install on a 2023 Road Glide Special.
You will need a T25 hex wrench, a T27 hex wrench, and C-clip pliers. Use the C-clip pliers to remove the C-clip that holds the brake lever pin. Loosen the throttle switch housing. Loosen the master cylinder handlebar mount. Remove the brake lever pin. Remove the old lever. Align the ASV lever with master cylinder and install. Insert the brake lever pin. Reinstall the C-clip. Align the switch housing and the master cylinder. Reassemble the switch housing. Tighten up the master cylinder mount. Make sure the throttle spins freely. Test the brake lights.
Just finished up the lever install. Went great. Levers feel great. They're adjustable. Adjust them to your liking and you're on the road. Good to go.